Latitude, and I'm gonna be your safari driver for tonight's safari. Now, for the safety of the animal and the comfort of those around you, we ask that you refrain from the use of flash photography of any kind. And we also ask that you refrain from the use of camera flashes, or flash photography or flashlights of any kind is what I'm trying to say. So, and we also ask you remain seated, keep those hands and arms inside the truck at all times, and hold on to any loose items because I can unfortunately not stop. Alright, our first animal in the Little Torrey Forest is on the right hand side, the beautiful, beautiful okapi. Now the okapi has those back striped legs, but is actually related to the giraffe. They have the long prehensile tongues that giraffes have. Prehensile tongues are long, sticky tongues that allow them to grab leaves off of trees and bushes and not worry about thorns. And those birds right there, those are my favorite animal in the whole reserve. They are the saddle-bill stork because they have that yellow saddle on their bill. Now they are about 5 feet tall, a wingspan of 9 feet, and their nests are about 6 feet wide. They are big, big birds.
Sit down, bud.
Males have black irises and females have the yellow irises, and that's how you can tell them apart. And that back there is a couple. Now I am seeing a black rhino. I'm seeing 2 black rhinos. I'm gonna pull up to the one that's a little closer for you guys, and we're gonna stop. Now, the only known predator of black rhinos is actually humans, and because of that, there are only 5,000 left in the wild. Unfortunately, it is believed that their horns have medicinal use to them, but their horns are made out of the same thing our hair and our fingernails are, so we know that's not true. Now they are very active at night. They tend to socialize and come out for acts of courtship. Now we've got 2 species of animals on the right hand side of the truck. The brown ones without horns, those are the greater kudu, and they are female, and I can tell you that because they do not have horns. The ones with horns that are orange, those are going to be bongos. Now bongos are known as the ghost of the forest. That's because they hide very, very well and don't tend to come out until night. Alright, and we're gonna head down to the Safi River. Safi does mean clean in Swahili, and we need to remember to keep our waters clean, not only near us but around the globe, because clean water is important to every ecosystem. Some animals spend most of their days in the water, like hippos. Now hippos can hide very well because they stay underneath water about 8 to 10 minutes at a time, and so look for like rocks underwater. Alright, I see a bloat on the left hand side.
Oh yeah.
A bloat is what a group of hippos is called. And I think that's the baby that kind of has his head mostly out of water to the left. We only have 1 baby hippo. And it was the first one born on the reserve in over 13 years. That was very great to the species revival plan. The birds are pink-backed pelicans. Now their backs only turn a pink color during mating season. They are colonial nesters, so that means they nest in groups of like 50 to 200 pairs. So they all like to hang out together. And on the other side of these waterfalls are the Nile crocodile. So unlike our herbivorous hippos, these are carnivorous. Now I don't see any with their mouths open currently, but we all know that not hippos, we all know that Nile crocodile have lots and lots of teeth. Because they actually have a jaw pressure of 2,000 pounds per square inch. And even though that pressure is so strong, parent Nile crocodile will take and roll eggs in their mouths to help them hatch. All right, but on to a new ecosystem we go. This is where we're gonna see the most animals, hopefully.